Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we will discuss about the Google Ads, how to create a campaign, how Google campaigns work, what are the different types of bid strategies we have, and what are the different types of campaigns we have. So from this video, we'll start a Google Ads series. In this first video, we'll explore the what are the options we have for the Google Ads and what is keyword planner. How can we check the bidding cost for each keyword, what's the keyword ratio and everything. Then the next video we will create each type of campaign, and in the each type of campaign we will see the bidding options. So how can we create those campaigns? How those campaigns will work? Please stay tuned to the channel and follow our videos daily. This Google Ads series, I'll drop a video on the daily basis. So within 1 week or 10 days, we'll complete all the Google Ads videos. So please do like, subscribe, and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video from World Web Techs. So let's get started. Here is our Google Ads account. Okay. So this is the expert view actually. Then in the expert view, here we have number of options, create campaign, and in this see in this dashboard view, you'll get to know the what are the basic things we need. Most of the businesses, what we see, clicks, the ROAS means return on ad spend. We'll check the return on ad spend, the average CPC, and the cost. This is a basic view. Most of the people will set, or also sometimes, but as a Google Ads expert, you need to check what are the impressions they are getting, what are the average CPC and cost per click, then CTR, how the CTR rate would be around, like if we are having around 2%, that is average, and if we are crossing around like about 2%, it's a very good. The CTR would be like we can consider. So our ad is running pretty good. If the CTR is low, CTR is nothing but clicks per impressions. If you are not getting proper impressions, then we could not able to deliver the results. Like per see how many clicks we are getting per thousand impressions, we are getting how many clicks. So we'll calculate in this way. So based on this, if it is like about 2%, we consider as a good. The ad is running pretty good. We are getting like for this many impressions, we are getting this many clicks. So our ad is performing good. So we consider like that. Then we'll also check the average CPC. Average CPC is a cost per each click. So how much we are spending for each click. We'll run a campaign in for 1 or 2 weeks. Then we'll get to know how much we are spending for each click. Based on that, we can change the strategies. We can change some keywords, and we can cause the if for example, if a small campaign, if average CPC goes beyond 50 rupees, then it is waste of spending on that ad. So I will remove that ad or remove the few keywords and improve the ad rank. So here we have the number of campaigns, how many campaigns we are running. Here we'll get all a complete view. So here we have like few campaigns. You can check each campaign, and then for example, if we go to this specific campaign, then there we have specific ad groups. Ad groups, how ad groups works means, for example, if you are running an hospital, you have a specific service, right? Or you have a e-commerce site, and you have like 10 categories. Hair care products are there, skincare products are there, for example, etc., etc. For each product, you run a simple display campaign. In the display campaign, you create sub ad groups. Like for hair care products, you create those products in the specific hair care ad group and skincare ad group, like that. And you'll create separate campaign for search ads. In the search ads, you'll segregate for each category. You'll create some different ad groups, because all the products won't serve like the same, right? So then we need to have specific budgets for specific products. So we need to establish a strategy. For example, like in our website, if the hair care products sells more, then we'll spend more on the hair care products, and then other ad group will won't spend that much. So that we need to segmentize all the products, categories, everything. So how the ad groups and campaigns works. And assets. Assets are nothing but the images which we have on the Google Ads. See, this is just a display campaign. Here it is asking for call and action. For example, I'll check all the campaigns. All the campaigns, it includes display everything. See, here we have included all campaigns. Then assets are nothing but what are the business requirements, like business logo, business name, the ads headlines, ad descriptions, images, location, call, site links, price, promotion which we are going to promote. So we can add the promotions also. Already it has, right? Then click on it. Promotion display like this, 50% off model. Okay, so like this, it will display like this on the search campaign. Like so, then price also same. Location also it will display the location. If you add the lead form, any form, and softness reports like that. So this is how the assets works and the videos as well. This is one of the main part. Here in the audience keywords and content. Here we can check all the keywords which we have used to bid uh, from all the campaigns. We can check, or else if you want to check individual campaigns, you can also segregate like this. Then the audience. Audience is nothing but like what are the audience types you are targeting, age group, complete demographics. It will display, and then age, gender, household income, parental status. You can check how much we are spending. If see, this helps when you start running your ads. We after 2 or 3 months we'll have some correct accurate data. For example, if you are just running for 1 week, in that 1 week, only specific people will may purchase. But when you have like 2 to 3 months data, you can check how your target audience. If, for example, you are targeting 125 to 55, but only 35 people, 35 to 44 people are spending more, then you can, in a bid strategy, you can spend more to this specific demographic. So you have many options, and also you can exclude some type of ad group or age group or any other contents like that. Then here are the content. Content is what are the headlines we have, complete content, headlines or descriptions. And ad schedule. You can also schedule your ad. For example, you can run 9 to 10 or 10 to 11 or only in the midnights, or you can run on specific days like Monday. You want to run your ad only. If you want to run your ad only in these specific days, then you can schedule your ads. Advanced bid adjustments for all the campaigns. You can adjust the bid strategy here, or you want to increase or you want to decrease, reduce the budget. So here you can check the insights. So how our ad is performing, what are the competitors we have. Here it will show everything. Auction insights, it will display the our competitor list, everything. Like for example, if for our brand we have the World Web Text, right? For World Web Text we are running some ad. So if other brand is also performing for similar keywords, so it will give the data here. So search terms, what are search terms we are getting? For example, we are running only for only 10 keywords, but we are getting the traffic from other keywords as well. It will check, show all the search terms, the impressions, the conversions we are getting for the specific search terms and everything. Landing pages, reports, etc. Then we'll check the keyword planner, how it works. So here's the keyword planner page. Then you can click on the visit keyword planner. Here you can check discover new keywords. We'll check digital marketing course, web development. Oops. Get results. Let's see. See, here you can check the search volume. Average monthly search volume for full stack developer, it's 10K to 100K, and there is no change since last one month or 2 months. It's being same. But here digital marketing for this keyword, it, it is having 1K to 10K average monthly searches. That 3 months change is 900% growth is there. Then the amount is 34 rupees. You can check all the keywords based on your research. You can add your keywords to the campaign. You can copy, you can download the keywords, everything. Okay. So this is how it helps us. Here you can also get the forecast. I'll check digital marketing course. We will select the build strategy here from management sheets. Apply. Since we have selected only one keyword, it is not showing the proper metrics. But if we have more keywords and all, we can have some data. So the forecast will help you to create the campaign in such a way. So you can expect some results. So you can check the overview, how much if you spend some amount, how much the conversions will get or how many clicks we can get. There's a just an overview, but this is not the exact results which you can get. So yeah, that's it, guys. So tomorrow we will start a campaign. We'll start a search campaign tomorrow. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and follow the channel. In this channel, we'll explore the Google Ads as much as we can. So each and every page, each and every campaign, each and every tactic we can use in the Google Ads to create the campaigns. You can be the Google Ads expert. Please just follow the channel and check the videos daily. If you have any doubts regarding the Google Ads, the conversion rates and all, just comment below. I can able to reply you. Thank you so much.